Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a bike helmet, and I'll show you guys what this one is here. This one's here, kind of a cool looking military-ish theme one here. I'll leave a little tag on it right now and just try it on. I don't want to put anything down because I have my dog running around. She'll just eat it. But you can see it's a nice bike helmet. It has an adjuster little turner thing here on the back to make it tighter and looser. So I can just tighten this puppy up on here. And I can tighten up these straps too. Let me see. That would need to be somewhat tighter for me. So it'll just be on here. That's pretty cool. It's got, actually I'm gonna put it down. She's just gonna eat it. But you can see you can open up the little Velcro on this side here. And I can, oops, now it's gonna blow away, darn it. And I can just tighten it up from here and then re-Velcro that piece on. So that's kind of how that's gonna work. And it's nice. It seems like a good helmet. Gonna protect me and good. And it's got the visor on it too, which is nice. And it's got the visor is like permanent visor, which is really good too. So it's got a permanent visor with padding on it as well. So it's good for protection and really good. And the visor is good because the other one had a visor that went out too far. So this one here is a good size. I'll be able to even wear glasses with it. So it's good. I like it. Thumbs up.